amenities that were done before, maybe like a month ago. This house was not redone. It had carpet. The amenities were the amenities that came with the house about 15, 16 years ago. So pretty outdated. The carpet was outdated, the tape was outdated, baseboards were outdated. So if you take a look, we have the luxury vinyl. That's kind of coming in now. A lot of people love the luxury vinyl because it serves as a durable floor, but it's also water resistant, so you can have it in kitchen areas and bathroom areas and things like that. New lighting fixtures, even subtle things like new smoke detectors. So everything has been redone in this area. Appliances, it's a Samsung package. So Samsung has a really nice package with their microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher. I love the huge sinks, right? Without the bottom, so you can have these large dishes. Yeah, very, very deep. This flows really nicely, like I mentioned, into the living area here. One kind of unique thing, I know it seems kind of silly, but this door looks like a little, maybe a jacket closet.
Right.
Open this door. I don't know if you get a chance to kind of come inside here. But it's large. Yeah, it goes completely under the stairs. This is the half bathroom downstairs. So it's nice. It's been redone. Hexagonal tile. Really good sized bedrooms. We added a fan, which is nice. It's white, so it kind of blends with the ceiling. The new paint that is there, and it has a light. It actually has a remote control as well, so you can control it. You can see the 15 freeway. I wish that hill was in the way, so maybe see straight through. Like I said, all this is redone. So brand new, double sink vanity, shaker cabinets here. I love the walk-in shower. So this used to be like I said, kind of just a shut-in bathtub, but we gutted that all out, resurfaced it, we did all the work, and so as an agent, I know a lot of people who are buying homes don't think about these things, but they look at things like the GFCI, which is the ground fault circuit interrupter plugs. Before, when we looked at this house before they did the work, these weren't ground fault circuit interrupters. A lot of times, older houses in the 80s, 70s, 60s didn't have those requirements.
But where can they find more about you? Where can they find information about this home?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're looking for information about the home or myself or my team, our website is Martin Group SD, that SD for San Diego, martingroupsd.com.